Hey everybody. So welcome back to the Canning Nana. Today I have finally gotten all my seeds together and I want to show you guys what we're going to plant this year. I'm so excited. For California, for my zone, for my area, at the beach, Ventura County, California, it's kind of late for me to start planting, if you can fathom that. The weather has been really weird, but usually by around March 7th to 10th, around there, I usually have my plants in the ground and everything. This year, not so much. So this year I'm planning a huge garden, huge. I have my regular garden space. We're going to be doing some pots here and putting them all over. Those are going to go in the ground and get moved around a little bit as they grow and then get planted. I also have a bunch of plants outside that I will show you at another time. I've got a bunch of tomato plants, some tomatillos, and a pepper. Went to a tomato mania farm 2 weeks ago, and I got these plants, and they're not in the ground yet, but they are going to be very, very soon. And they're getting big. They're doing fine. Got buds on them and everything. So I just want to give you guys a really quick tour of what we're going to be planting this year. So let's see. What I don't have here is I have some asparagus that I got from M.I. Gardener here on YouTube. If you guys haven't checked him out, go check him out. He has a ton of great gardening videos. He's in Michigan. You can do everything that he does according to your zone where you are. He is fantastic. His name is Luke. Tell him the Canning Nana sent you. So, okay, so we're doing strawberries. Going to do some bare root strawberries and some strawberry plants. I'm going to be doing some onions. So I got these herb rockets. I went to the dollar store. I've never used these before. Apparently you just plant them in a pot or in the ground and you water them. I will show you the progress of all of my plants. I've never done these, so I got a basil, 2 parsley, and a dill. And I'm about to make pickles, and I really could use some fresh dill, and I don't have any. So that's why we grow, right? Okay, so I have 2 kinds of spinach. Bloomsdale Longstanding, and then I have just Space Hybrid Spinach from Burpee. Have some beets from Burpee. Detroit Dark Red. And then these are also Detroit Dark Red. And then I got some Chioggia beet from M.I. Gardener. So all different kinds of tomatoes. You know what? I'll save the tomatoes for last. Bush beans. This is what some of you guys are getting in your packages. I got 3 packages of this. I have well over what I need for beans. I think there's 300 beans in this, 300 seeds in this package, and I got 3 of them. So yeah, same with the peas. I have 300 peas. Some of you guys are going to be getting peas in your packages as well. These are some pepper seeds that I saved from last year. These are hot peppers. These are actually hatch chili peppers. And then some sugar daddy peas. And then these are some of my zucchini that don't need any pollination. I got these from Burpee last year. They were fantastic, and my last one just died. And it was my fault that it died, because when we were cleaning out the garden, getting it ready, I snapped a branch almost in half, and then noticed that it had already been snapped, but it was blooming, it was doing really good, and yeah, I pretty much killed it. That was my fault. Got lots more. I'm really sad because I just got my last zucchini just a few weeks ago off of that plant, so I'm really bummed. I have some more beans that I got before I got the Burpees, because I didn't know if I was going to be able to get Burpees. So we've got some Italian green beans, or heirloom varieties, the flat. And then these are tender green. These are the same. These are some Blue Lake bush beans. And these are all bush beans as well, Blue Lake. And then I got some yellow beans. I got 1 carrot. Let's see. Regular carrot here. I like those. I'm going to be planting those in a pot, probably not in the ground. And then Some yellow carrots, also from M.I. Gardener, that I figured I'd try. I've never tried these before. So I bought some stuff that I've either hard to find for my area or in general, or I've never tried before from the M.I. Gardener. He has some really awesome seeds. So this is 8-ball zucchini. I love this stuff. I grow it all the time, but it's very, very hard to find the seeds for some reason. Just hard. So M.I. Gardener had them. They're heirloom seeds. So you could save the seeds and then keep gardening with them, which is what I normally do. But when we moved, I lost a bunch of my heirlooms. This is banana squash. Now, I love this, and I can't find this except at farms over Halloween, and they are probably like $15 a piece. It's crazy. Otherwise, they're in the store, these little teeny slices, and they're like $6. So, yeah, I buy them when I see them, but I don't even see those slices anymore, and I love banana squash, guys. Really, really good. I got some turnips. I've never grown turnips before, so they were one of my dad's favorites. He used to grow them. I've never tried, so I'm assuming they're going to be super easy. We'll see. Here's some radish, breakfast radish, and then gourmet blend. I got 2 of those. These are some chocolate beauty sweet peppers that look amazing. I'm really looking forward to that. These are Thai basil seeds, and these are amazing. If you guys have ever had pho or any kind of Vietnamese food, you know this stuff is amazing. It tastes like licorice, black licorice to be exact. I hate black licorice, but these are amazing. Just amazing. Very, very scented plants. So I got parsley. I believe I have another parsley somewhere of another kind. Just regular lettuce, cabbage, kale. There's my other, oh, there you go. Italian flat parsley, and then this is just Italian parsley. So they're a little bit different. This one's almost like a cilantro, but it's not. More lettuce and some celery root. These will grow the celery as well, and you can eat the stalk, you can eat the leaves, but I want it for these roots right here that are kind of hard to find. But I love making soup out of that. It is so good. So good. Every once in a while I could find them at a farmer's market, but not as available as they used to be. Purslane, I left all of my purslane at my other house, and I'm kind of bummed, so I bought seeds. I have not found any growing wild purslane here at all. I'm only 5 miles from where we used to live. That's it. So, and this is also Thai basil from M.I. Gardener, and he calls it licorice basil. This stuff is so good. So I got some Tigger Melon, which is supposed to be a small melon, like fit in the palm of your hand. It looks amazing, different. Can't get it out here, so I figured I would do it there. I did get another banana squash because I want to grow a lot of those. Artichokes. I'm probably going to try to get a plant for artichokes as well. But I'm going to try to grow them from seed too. Artichokes, we love artichokes here. Cauliflower. And then into the tomatoes. So I got 2 tomatillo packets, and I also have 2 plants. When I've never grown tomatillos, I understand that when you plant a tomatillo plant, you have to have 2 so that they pollinate each other. So we're going to try. A Mana tomato. Here's Roma tomato. Golden Jubilee. And I'm thinking that these are going to be like my Sun Gold tomatoes. I'm not sure. We'll see. San Marzano. I got some plants, San Marzano tomatoes as well. I think I got 3 or 4 of them because I plan on canning those and then making my own spaghetti sauce out of these. If you can find them, get them. They make the most amazing sauce or tomato paste. Brandywine pink. Here's large cherry tomatoes. Here's some Roma. Yellow pear tomatoes, and I think I have those out in the garden already. And then Ace 55s. So, along with all of these things, I'm going to show you guys what I got from M.I. Gardener as well. Here is my asparagus. Let me show you. There are 4 plants in here. They're bare root, and they're already growing. So I have to get these little guys in the ground so that they're happy. Look at that. They are growing everywhere. They're growing actual asparagus already. So, yeah, they're not so dormant anymore because it's warm here right now. But it hasn't really been. It's kind of weird weather. I think that's it. I did get some clips for my tomato plants. So, just have to get stakes for those. And I am really looking forward to all this, you guys. So, I got some of this stuff on Amazon. So I also got to start, I got 100 of these little things. These little peat, oh, what are they called? Where are they? It just says peat garden planter. So you just stick a seed in there, put them on a tray and water them, and these will poof up. Kind of like these right here, but the peat pots go right into the ground. They're in their own little soil, and the roots break through much easier than these. Much easier. So I'm starting a lot of seeds in these. Especially my peas and my beans will go in here. And probably some tomatoes. We'll see. So that's what I have, you guys. I'm going to be doing a lot of gardening videos, and if you want to see anything else, just let me know. So here's to gardening. Happy gardening, everybody. And of course, we have to can all of this when it's ready, so we'll be doing lots of canning videos as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. As always, if you're not subscribed and you like what you see, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow and helps YouTube's algorithm. And yeah, we'll be doing some more videos, you guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Oh, and hit that like button. More giveaways coming as well. See you soon.